Are you in a situation where either your Hummer or any other car, you are stuck with the stick shifter? You cannot do anything with the gear. The gear are just basically frozen on you and you can drive. And there is very easy and a simple fix. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2. This is year model 2008 and it can be any Hummer or any GM vehicles. While you're driving and you stopped and you cannot change your gear shifter, it's just stuck, it dies on you. Without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the bushing kit. If you see this one, it just breaks off right here. And this one goes right in there. When we shift the gear, then it goes up and down and that changes the gear. Now we're going to put the bushing and it's very easy and simple. It comes in two pieces. One is cap and this is the bushing. The way we're going to do it, see, this is the cutout. We're going to put that cutout inside this cap. You just press it. So this is how it looks. You put it from the side and the cutout goes on the other side, the one we're going to put it in. Then you press it in with the thumb. It goes inside. You heard that. So once you hear that small click, then we're going to remove the cap from other side. If you install it this way, that is the wrong way. This is the way to install it. This is the solid pin. Once we're going to insert it in, then it will fit properly. This is how it looks on this side. And on this side, we're going to pull it out. Then you pull the cap out. And if we look it on this side, this is the how it looks. And now we're going to put it inside and we're going to press it in. And that's it. And that's how it's easy and simple to install the bushing. I hope it will help you out in your DIY project. So as you've seen it, it does not take more than 2 minutes to fix the problem. And if you take this one to dealership or repair shop, it will going to cost you a lot of money. By doing it yourself, not only you save the money, it brings a smile on your face. And if I did bring a smile on your face, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the bell notification so that you will get my latest video. And also please don't forget to click on my Easy Step channel for delicious recipes. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.